Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change an Audi A3 side light bulb. First, prioritize safety by ensuring your car's ignition is completely off. Next, gather your tools. You'll likely need a small flat blade screwdriver and protective gloves. Finally, open the hood to gain access to the headlight assembly. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe bulb replacement process. Now, let's access the bulb. Locate the rear cover on the headlight assembly and detach it. You might need to unclip it or twist it. Next, gently disconnect the electrical connector from the bulb holder. Then, carefully detach the bulb holder itself, often by twisting it about 30 degrees counterclockwise, allowing it to pull free from the housing. With the old bulb exposed, gently pull it straight out of its holder. When handling the new bulb, always avoid touching the glass with your bare fingers, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Use gloves or a clean cloth. Now, carefully insert the new side light bulb into the holder, ensuring it sits firmly and correctly. To finish, reinsert the bulb holder into the headlight assembly, twisting it clockwise to secure it. Reconnect the electrical plug to the bulb, then replace and secure the headlight's rear cover. Finally, close the hood, turn on your car's ignition, and switch on the headlights to confirm your new side light bulb is functioning correctly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.